Something good that feeds our hunger.
We should take barbecue or those twisted ones.
Very good.
Those? Katie?
They look better with my hair picked up or down.
They look good with both.
Okay, I guess.
We could take fruit and be healthy.
Fruit? Be healthy? That's not part of me. Sour Patch Kids here. People enjoy Sour Patch.
24, 6, 28.
That, with that on top of that,
How would that taste? We should take one.
there's a galetos up there.
Let's take muecas thingy. I kind of want it.
These?
Yep.
Or you want the green one?
That one. Or you want something else?
That's cool. What else?
What else? Cigarettes. Are you gonna want to take something to drink?
If you want.
Water or like? Oh, I thought you put this stuff there. I was gonna be like, no, Iris, no. Here, Iris.
Oh, my good. What do you want?
Those are glass bottles, aren't they?
Yeah.
It's gonna be like a bitch to open. Water?
Choices. Water. Oh,
I think water is good.
this is kind of creepy.
We should do that. You do?
Want to go?
I don't know.
We do bored.
Are you sure you want water?
It'd be pretty bad in your house, because in your house there's already spirits. Look at those handsome young men over there.
Like get something else.
Okay. Curries.
We could get
Oh, look, tomatoes. And these are big fat chilos. Chilos, we should get some beer. Oh, look at all these.
Thirst quenchers.
What she said. You're just standing here, ready for us to take.
You juice?
Well, whatever you want. Jacob.
Girls so smart. Or you can take milk and be like good girls.
I think we should need underwear just in case there's no restrooms over there.
I think you should take it for yourself.
Maybe I should. Maybe I should.
You should.
What the?
But what if we don't have enough with like the little bottle?
I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure.
Take it?
If you want to.
We're gonna look funny walking with like a huge gallon of
It's okay.
juice. It's okay. Insanity it is. Okay. You here? We're done, right?
Yeah.
Can I just stick to this now?